Hi everybody, this is Scott with Tours of Cleveland, here to kick off our trivia contest. So a couple weeks ago we did some trivia here on our social media. It was a series of questions that were part of our post pictures. This one's going to be a little different. We're going to be doing some video clips here. So for starting today, we have a total of 6 videos that we will launch, one per day, and each video will have 2 questions for you. So I will ask you those questions today, here in a moment, and then you will answer in the comment section. So regardless of what social media platform you may be happening to watch us on, you will have an opportunity to answer the questions via the comment section. Now, I'm not going to comment on those. I'm not going to say if you're right or wrong because we'll give the answers tomorrow. So watch the video tomorrow. You will get the answers to today's questions, and then you will also get to new questions to start off. So that's how it's going to work. We will do a drawing at the end of the series. We're giving away 2 sets of 2 tickets for our walking tours, which will be good on any of our walking tours. So 2 winners will be drawn. Everyone who gets the answers correct, every entry that you participate in will actually get you in the drawing. So let's go ahead and get started with today's questions. Question number 1 deals with the arcade. Now, of course, the arcade was built in 1890, but it was modeled after a similar arcade that was built in 1877. The question is, what European city was that arcade located in? So that's question number 1. Question number 2. If you have ever noticed, on top of the Soldiers and Sailors Monument, there is a statue of a woman. She happens to be the goddess of freedom. But she also happens to be a local Clevelander. A particular woman did model for the artist to help him create the goddess of freedom. Who was that local Clevelander? Who is that woman really? Beside the goddess of freedom, who is she? So those are your 2 questions. What European city has the arcade that our arcade is modeled after? That's question 1. Question 2, who is that woman on top of the Soldiers and Sailors Monument? So take a stab at it. Try not using Google and see if you can get the answers. But, hey, it's all good. Leave your answers in the comments and then look for a video tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Stay safe.